Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you drive a Maruti Suzuki XL6 and want to play your favorite music or take hands-free calls, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to connect your smartphone to the XL6 infotainment system using Bluetooth step by step, quickly and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone. This allows the car system to find your device and connect it. Step 2. On the car's major screen, swipe down to open the options menu. Step 3. Tap on Paired Devices to open the list of devices already paired or to connect a new one. Step 4. Now, tap Add a device to begin the pairing process. Step 5. Next, select Infotainment System for a faster and more direct connection. Step 6. A list of numbered devices will appear. Find your phone on the list and select it. Step 7. A pairing code will show up both on your phone and on the car screen. Make sure the code matches, then press OK or pair on both devices. Step 8. Make sure all connection options are enabled, such as calls and media audio. And that's it. You now successfully connected your phone to your Maruti Suzuki XL6 via Bluetooth. You can take calls, stream music, and enjoy a safer and more convenient driving experience. Additional notes and observations. Here are a few things to keep in mind while pairing. If your phone doesn't appear on the screen, try refreshing the list or making sure your Bluetooth is connected. Some phones might ask you for permission to share your contacts and messages. Make sure to allow this if you want to use voice calling. You can pair multiple phones, but only one can be connected for calls and media at a time. If you're having trouble connection, try deleting the device from the list and pair it again from the scratch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe in the channel for more quick tips like this. See you next time.